One storm is moving out, another on the way. Looking for simple, affordable closet solutions? Walsh Contracting and Saco has you covered. Their durable wire shelving is budget friendly and perfect for any space. Call Walsh Contracting today. Let's get into that forecast. A satellite picture shows that system getting out of here. Some mixture of clouds and sunshine today. See some breaks there in southern Maine, western Maine. So we'll get some of those clouds out of here, some peaks of sunshine. And then we reload and get ready for the next system that's coming in from the south and the west. Here it is, the total snowfall by Thursday morning. This is an away from the coast snowstorm, 0 to 1 inch, all the way up to Auburn, Augusta, Lewiston, heading up Bangor. I've got you around the 1 inch snowfall amount, and then 3 to 6 heading farther inland, mountains heading up north to the western foothills. We dry out today. Snow and rain coming next. It's light to moderate, not a significant storm. And then it's cold before Christmas. That's when we're going to see temperatures really take a nosedive. I'll talk about that now in the temperature and wind forecast. Up to the 50s there in the green. Yes, quite warm. About 10 to 20 degrees above average for temperatures. And then we cool down just a bit, just enough that westerly breeze dries things out. And that's going to set the stage as we cool down for the next system to get here. It'll be just cold enough for snow away from the coastline. But along the coastline, I expect a lot of rain with the next system to come through. So it's temperature and wind in the forecast of west and southwest. That's a relatively mild breeze this time of the year, 10 to 15. So we're getting to the mid-50s. That is about 20 degrees, once again, above average. So it does not feel anything like December right now. For the Mariners, gale warning is up early today. Seas will begin to subside later on today, around 4 to 5 feet, 7 feet, and 7 to 9. Here's the forecast on future. Dry Tuesday and most of Wednesday. Then the rain and snow comes in Wednesday late, and it is inland, away from the coastline. You see here where that blue is popping up. So Freiburg, Rumford, Rangeley, and then it cools down the backside of the storm. We get a burst of snow to come through. That's where we'll get some accumulation. This is Thursday morning while you're sleeping. And by the morning rush hour commute Thursday, you're going to notice here this thing is going from west to east, and it's wrapping up quickly here. So typically with these systems, you don't get a lot of snow on the backside. There's a very small window here to get snowfall accumulation. It's got to snow hard on the ground that's not frozen to cool that ground off. And you got to have those heavy snowflakes pull the cold air down at the ground level if there isn't enough at ground level. So this ends Thursday morning. The next 14 days, we go from rain and snow Wednesday night to Thursday morning to everyone talking about this ocean storm on Friday. And right now, it's a miss because the energy doesn't combine and pull that storm west. So right now, the best shot for any snow Friday or Saturday would be down east, if any at all. And then we warm up after a very cold weekend. So we go down before Christmas to temperatures in the single digits and sub-zero for a good chunk of Maine, especially north. And then into Christmas, we just jump up. The temperature is going to go up quickly and very high. So the forecast of the mountains the next 10 days, see this, 42, 34, 31. It's all snow mountains Wednesday, Thursday, and then we're going sub-zero for the weekend. And you'll notice here inland, the forecast showing 51, 44, 39. There's going to be some rain mixing in even as far north and as far west as Lewiston, Auburn, and Augusta with this next storm. But then we cool off for the weekend. Right now, I have that storm away from the coastline. At best, it's down east that would get some snow Friday or Saturday, but I'm keeping it out for now. Regardless, it's cold. I will say that we warm up for Christmas and into New Year's. So we're going in the opposite direction as far as the weather patterns would expect us to go to end this year. Christmas, New Year's right now looking well above average. So plan accordingly. Thank you for the sponsorship, Walsh Contracting. Thank you for the donations. It's helping a lot. And I will talk to you next time. More updates. Make sure you are following along right here.